1.9% financing. LTZ all-wheel drive. Navigation. DVD player. GM certified 2012 Chevrolet Traverse LTZ all-wheel drive, cyber gray metallic W gray heated cooled leather seating, 3.6 L56 engine under the hood, 6 SPD automatic transmission, GM special event vehicle. You would be the first real owner. Let's go over all the funyuns on this loaded up LTZ. Touchscreen navigation, DVD entertainment for your little cookie monsters. Rear vision camera system, BOSE audio system surround sound 10-speaker system, steering wheel radio controls, rear parking assist, second row captain seating and heated, third row 3-passenger, 20 aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote starter, dual exhaust W chrome tips, 3 free months ONSTAR, 3 free months XM radio. 2 years 30,000 mile maintenance.